the new spring solo and braided solo loops from Apple. This season we have Canary Yellow and Sprout Green solo loop, olive, purple fog, braided and regular solo loops, plus bright orange braided loop. Solo loops are $49 and braided ones are $99. I'm wearing size 3 for my 41mm Apple Watch, but there's a size for everyone and all watch generations. Today I'm showing you all the new colors for spring and sampling some matching clothing with them, as well as comparing it with other Apple Watch colors, with a variety of angles so you see if they work for you or not. Give this a like if it helps. Subscribe for more. All packaging is the same as before. Go one size down from the size chart on apple.com. Like it says I'm a size 4 when size 3 is actually a good fit. To assemble, just use the part with the metal on the inside. So slide in and lock, and same with the other side. Canary Yellow. I have to start with Canary Yellow because it's one of my favorite colors I've always wished to come back. Ever since I saw it on someone wearing a matching phone case in 2019. It's actually what first got me pairing them together. The case in which has also made a comeback for the latest iPhone 14s. You'll see that around tomorrow. It's not as vibrant as I remember, but enough to still be closest to actual yellow. Check out my original review of the Canary Yellow iPhone XS case from 2019, right here. You know I give it a 10 out of 10. Here it is with a gold Apple Watch. Space black and silver aluminum. Sprout green, another slightly vibrant color, almost mint-like, but has a very light lime and drop of milky hue to it. Here it is with gold Apple Watch. Space black, or for other dark Apple Watches. And silver aluminum, which is in every generation except for Series 7. Next up is olive solo and braided solo loop. It's actually a remade color. I recall it as a sport loop from a few years ago, but honestly not the same as you see here. Take a look. This time you get to appreciate it fully solid in its complete down-to-earth glory. which will match with so many things. I mean, it looks like gray from a distance, but you could see pale, dark green hues from close up. Here it is with gold Apple Watch. Space black and silver. Purple fog is actually the palest of them all. More toned down from lilac, but it's still so close. Still a pretty, slightly milky color. Here it is with a gold Apple Watch. Space black. And silver aluminum. Bright orange braided solo loop. I guess since they already made an orange from first gen, they had to change it up and make light orange. It's a really nice color. It's exactly how it sounds like. Light orange. That means not dark enough to be mid-tone, but just light enough to be a light tone. Like this is orange, and this is light orange. Here it is for the gold Apple Watch. Space black. And silver. If you get the 45mm solo loops, it will fit the Apple Watch Ultra. It'll match all the colors, but in my opinion, the bulky Apple Watch Ultra takes away from the design of the band, visually. In conclusion, I have to say, overall, these are better than last season. Instead of toned down, we get a little more milkiness for spring and summer. And I honestly love brighter colors anyway. You have your neutral, pop-up color, this season's purple, this season's yellow. Next time I'm in the cases, so subscribe with the bell icon. That's pretty much it. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.